Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from Hubspot to Kajabi. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Hubspot to other systems. For example, in Kajabi you can add new people to conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Hubspot data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. Next, you need to connect your Hubspot account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the API key. In order to get it, go to the Hubspot personal account. Then go to Settings. Now go to the Integrations section API key. Click Show to see the API key. Copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. There are no additional settings for the Hubspot system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see data for one of your contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the Hubspot data source setup. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Choose Kajabi as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Send data. At this stage, you need to create a Kajabi virtual account in the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you can name it. It is also necessary to fill in the URL for receiving data field. To get it, go to your personal account Kajabi. Then you need to go to the Sales Offers section. Choose the necessary offer. Click More. Webhooks. Copy the activation URL and paste it into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, we need to choose the type of data sending. Choose Post. Next you need to fill in the parameters, where name is the variable name from Kajabi. You can use the variable's name, email, external user ID. We write these values manually. In the value field you need to assign a variable from Hubspot that corresponds to the name field. In order to add another set of variables, click Add. When all the necessary parameters are compiled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Kajabi to the specified link for each new contact from Hubspot. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Kajabi. After successful submission, go to Kajabi and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the Kajabi data reception setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.